Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop, step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks and feel confused when a wrong deposit shows up in your records, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove it correctly and keep your books clean. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Desktop on your computer and log into your company file. Make sure you're logged in with a user account that has permission to edit transactions. If you can't change or delete anything, you may need admin access. Once you're inside QuickBooks, go to the top menu bar and click on Banking. From the drop-down menu, choose Use Register. A small window will pop up asking you to select the account register you want to open. Here, choose the bank account where the deposit was recorded, then click OK. Now you'll see the bank register. This looks similar to a checkbook register with a list of all transactions like checks, payments, and deposits. Scroll through the list to find the deposit you want to delete. You can look at the date, payee, and amount columns to help you identify the correct one. When you find the deposit, click once on that transaction to highlight it, then double-click on it. This will open the Make Deposits window where the full details of that deposit are shown. Before deleting, take a moment to confirm it's the correct deposit. Check the date, amount, and the payments included. If this deposit was created by mistake, duplicated, or entered in the wrong account, then deleting it makes sense. But if it's tied to important payments, you may need to fix it instead of deleting. If you're sure you want to delete it, go to the top of the deposit window and click on Edit in the menu bar. From the drop-down, choose Delete Deposit. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click OK or Yes to confirm the deletion. That's it. The deposit is now removed from your records and your bank register will update automatically. Now, here's something important to understand. If the deposit included customer payments, deleting the deposit does not delete the original payments. Those payments will go back to the undeposited funds account. So, if needed, you can create a new deposit later and include the correct payments. Also, if your books are already reconciled for that month, deleting a deposit can affect your reconciliation. In that case, you may need to reconcile again or talk to your accountant before making changes. Let's quickly recap. To delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop, go to Banking, select Use Register, open the correct bank account, find the deposit, double-click it, and then choose Edit and Delete Deposit. Confirm, and you're done. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials for beginners. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.